Hi there, hi, welcome, everyone. Um, in this additional, not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, November the 24th, 2021, no, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no uh, additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of Tuesday, the day before November the 23rd, 2021. We have four puzzles left. The One Star Sudoku, the Two Star Sudoku, Tectonic, and a binary. So let's get started with the first one. One star. It will be number 3731. Okay, 3731. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 printed digits. Correct. One star always 27. And for one star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. 1, 2, 3, missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these two boxes. Here 707 in those two boxes. Here 707 in these three boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. You see therefore, no 4 therefore should be here. Then I need to go, let me see, yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Two missing numbers in this column. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 1 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore, no 4 therefore should be here. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column, the 1, the 2, and the 3 is missing. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then, how about, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, 5, and a 9. We have a 6, 5, and a 9 in this column. So no 6, 5, and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 6, 5, and a 9 goes in those 3 boxes. 6, 5, and a 9. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing, 2 and an 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last, third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. So 2 numbers left in this big square should be the numbers 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. Let me mark those. 9 and a 5. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore, that box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay. How about the number? The number, let me see which number. Okay. Okay. Well, these 3 missing numbers in this column should be the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me mark this for you. 1, 2, 3. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Well, here cannot be a 5. We have a 5 there, so the 5 should be there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. Well, 8 and a 9. Yeah. 1, 2, and a 3. Here cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there, so the 1 and a 3. Yeah. 7, 7. I'm thinking. Let me put some numbers. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Here cannot be a 5. Okay. We need a 5 in this row. Here cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 there. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. The difficult part. Where's the opening? The opening. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. So we have here the 1 and the 3. Okay, here 1 or 3. So the 1 and 3 goes also there. What the 8. 8. 8, 8. Here also the 8. 8, 8. Here also the 8. 8. Yeah. Need to put some numbers. Put some numbers. Oh. Well. Overlooked. I've yeah. 1, 2, or a 3 here. So this box we have a 1, so 2 or 3. Made a mistake here. 2 and a 3. 1, 2, because we have a 3 here. And a 1, 3. Okay. 2 and a 3. And a 2. How about 7 in this row, 7 in last row. So the row between only 3 places for the 7s will be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. Let me look for these 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Here can it be a 4, here can it be 4. There should be the 4. One of the missing number in this column is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the only place for the 4 should be here. The 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 1. Together with the 5, it's a pair. The other pair in the last row should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column. So the column between second column, only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 7 is missing here in this big square. The 2 and the 3 also is missing in this. Yeah. Let me see. 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, we have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So that row only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright, so we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, so the 8 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. So one digit left in this big square should be the number 9. Yeah, the 9. And now we have a 9 there, so this box can be a 9 anymore, that box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing, yeah. 2 and 8, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore, that box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. There should be the 3. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. A 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5. And this box will be a 9. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers. So 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. A little bit slower than I expected. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.